Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. This is Jim bringing another video live to you from the inside of my car. So today we're going to be trying the Itaki Pro portable lunchbox. I just got it not too long ago. I haven't been using it, frankly. I've been a little bit of afraid of it. Today we're going to take a bunch of ingredients, mix it up in there at work. And, I got this thing because I wanted to kind of do healthier meals while at work without having to do a whole bunch of prep work or order food out Grubhub or anything like that. So, I'm going to mess with it today. I'm going to throw a bunch of raw ingredients in there. I haven't been able to find a lot of stuff online that's been very helpful to me, so I figured I'd go ahead and make some helpful videos. So, we'll see you guys later when I fire this thing up. Ciao. Okay, guys, welcome back. It's lunchtime, so it looks like this Itaki Pro is my first time using it. I just took it out of the box. I have no idea how to really use it, but like I said before, I was trying to figure out a way for me to make some whole food, vegan prepared meals that I didn't have to do too much prep work at home for. So what I did was, before I left home this morning, I threw 2 cups of organic brown rice that are pre-cooked in the top of this, or a cup in the top of this, so that I didn't have to wait for the whole thing to cook the rice all day. I don't think I had a lot of time for that. And what I did was, instead of preparing the vegetables ahead of time or bagging them or cutting them individually, I went ahead and just threw a bunch of stuff in here. So I got some white button mushrooms, some snow peas, some carrots. I threw a block of this here Japanese golden curry block inside. I got some carrots and a zucchini here. So what I'm going to do, a couple cloves of garlic too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just quickly prepare some of these items here at work. As always, I try to carry one of my trusty M-Tech pocket knives. And I figured, instead of preparing this stuff at home and having to waste a whole bunch of time and effort and bags, why couldn't I just do some of this on site and save myself some time? So I'm going to spend a little time now just shaving these down, getting these items prepared. And then I'm going to throw them all together. And my plan is to grab that curry mix and just kind of make some steamed curry vegetables with some brown rice at the end of this that I'll be able to have and enjoy for lunch. As a whole food recipe. No butter, no salt, no oil, no anything crazy. So as well as being my first time using the Itaki Pro, this is my first time using YouTube as a forum to share any kind of recipes. And I did that because mainly I couldn't find anything online that was helping me learn how to use this for what I wanted to use it for. So I'm just winging it. You guys are along for the ride, and I'm just going ahead and gonna throw everything into one pot here and see how it turns out. I think it's gonna be pretty good. So let's chop up the garlic pretty rough. I like the big chunks of garlic in my food. So I just brought 3 whole cloves of garlic, and I took the paper off them before I started doing this. And put that on the side. The snow peas can stay whole. The mushrooms, I'll just go ahead and give them a rough chop also, because they're going to soak up a lot of that curry flavor. So I do a lot of cooking at home also in my spare time, and I have no problem cooking on the stovetop, but got to be, I'm so sick and tired of buying stuff on my way to work or buying stuff at work. When I saw this, I was like, oh, that's going to be great. What I didn't expect was the lack of recipes, or the lack of instructions, or the lack of knowledge base around these. So I did find some good, helpful YouTube videos. I'll link some videos below. You guys can kind of take a look at all that and see what you guys think of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish chopping up some of these vegetables. Then I'm going to mix them all in with a little bit of water. I also had a shallot in there because I felt like grabbing one on my way out the door. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Shallot, garlic, mushrooms. You know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to cut this block curry up that just randomly, sporadically thrown in there. This is a complete experiment, guys. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're going to find out if it's delicious. I think it's going to be delicious. So let's just find out. Okay, so now I was reading a little bit about what I was reading to say that you're supposed to use this little measuring cup here, and you're supposed to measure out 2 cups to put in the bottom if you're just going to be steaming vegetables. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of that into the bottom. 1, 2. Okay, and now because I'm going to be making a curry paste, hopefully out of this, and a little bit of sauce, I think I'm just going to throw some water in here too. See how it all turns out. I'm going to throw the cooked brown rice on top of that. Throw it in here. And I'm going to lock my lid. Okay, seems legit. Alright. Then, first time using it. I'll pop the power cord out here. Plug it in. And let's see what happens. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and let this thing cook. It says somewhere about 15 minutes or so, so we'll give it a check back in about 15. See you then. Alright folks, we're back. So it's been about 20 or so minutes now, and since the rice is already cooked, I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing off. Give it a few seconds, let it power down. I'm going to open it up and see what these things look like. I don't want my vegetables to be mushy. I like them to have a little bit of a crunch to them. Texture is an important part of my food enjoyment, as it is probably to many people. But again, I just want to give this a couple minutes and let it cool itself down. I'm going to go ahead and pop this lid. Take a look in there and see how we're doing. Alright, looks to be good to me. Give me 1 second. One of the downsides of cooking while at work is sometimes you gotta answer a phone, right? Alright, so let's take a look and see what we got underneath here. So it looks like, let's give it a good stir in there. See how that's all looking down at the bottom. Get some of that curry kind of mixed into the juices down in the bottom down there. And you know what, I'm actually, I think I'm going to put it back on for a little while. Maybe give this thing another 10 or so minutes and see how it goes. And, yeah, the vegetables are almost done. Not quite done yet. So we're going to go ahead and roll this right back on. Give this another 10 minutes to go. And we will see you shortly. Alright, and we're back. Had a couple things to do. I'm still at work. It's the whole point of having this little lunch bento box thing is so that I could bring it to work and eat. So, unfortunately, I'm a slave to my job just like most of us are. Alright, so I just turned it off again. It's been about a little bit over that 10 minutes I wanted to try. So, hopefully the veggies aren't too smushy. We're going to go ahead and open this up nice and carefully, preparing for not to steam ourselves. I'm going to drop some of that, put that over there. I'm going to take the metal tin off of that. And that actually looks pretty freaking stupendous, if I do say so myself. Okay, so let me show you guys what I got going on here. Alright, so this is what turned out. We got all the veggies in there seem to be pretty solid. The curry juice did exactly what I wanted it to do, which is awesome. It just kind of went into a little bit of a paste in the bottom. And it looks like, let's give it a little taste here. Moment of truth. That's really good. Awesome. So I am super stoked, folks. All right, so I tell you, half the battle of being successful with these things is just go ahead and trying it. And I'm trying a new lifestyle. plant-based, but not just vegan, trying to go the whole kind of forks over knives, whole foods idea. So I didn't want to get any prepackaged, no meat, no cheese foods that are just full of all sorts of added ingredients and dyes and processed foods and all that. I just wanted to take a bunch of raw vegetables, throw them in a container with some hot water, and cook them up, and see what happened. I tell you, it came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy about it. So, you guys tell me if you want more of these videos. You know, I'm starting a new channel. I think I'm going to do a lot more of these recipes and do some other stuff from home occasionally. If you want to give me some suggestions, maybe some ideas or some things that you think I should do, let me know. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to get notifications when I post new videos, I'm going to do some home cooking videos and all that fun stuff too. Just go ahead and hit the bell, and you'll get notifications every time I post a new video. So that's it, folks. I appreciate it. I'm going to go enjoy this and get back to work. Have a good day.